In this video I'll show you how to make the top for the light box. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to start a new standard IPT and we're going to draw two rectangles. The difficult part about this is getting it centered. So the first thing is you take a rectangle, you're going to draw it, and then make a smaller rectangle inside of it. Okay, you're going to right click dimension, click on the top line of the outside rectangle, drag it up, click on it, and that's going to be 8 inches. Again, you can hit front to get it to zoom back in. The side of the outside rectangle, you click, drag it out, and that's going to be 4.5. And enter. And the inside one, the length of it is going to be 3. And the height is 3/16. Now if you don't know the decimal equivalent, you can type 3/16 and it'll convert it for you. So it's 0.1875 is what it will be. Now this is all done except for two things. We need to know how far the slot is from the top and how far it is from the side to side. So in order to do that, we're on dimension, we click the side one, and then we come in, and you may have to zoom in on this just so you can see the little piece. You can't get the dot, but you want to get that little side. So you click that, and then you can move it back in the middle and double click it, and that's going to be 2.5. And that's going to slide it over, so now this is centered inside of the outside rectangle. And we'll do the same for the top. So you click the top line, drag it down, click the top of the inside slot, bring it up, double click it, and that's going to be 2.125. And now that's centered this way. Okay. Once we're done with that, you're going to finish sketch. I'm going to put it into the home position, then extrude it. And all we want is this, we want the slot open, so we don't want to click there. So you click the outside, and this distance is 1/4 inch, or 0.25. Okay. Before we do anything else with it, we're going to run a fillet on it. Fillet rounds the corners over, and we're only going to do it on one side because the other side needs to be flat, and we're going to use the default as 0.125. So all you need to do is then click on the top part of your top, and only on the outside. And when you click OK, that rounds those corners over. So if you look at the right side view, you can see that it's rounded this part over. I'm going to flip this back to the home view, and then we're going to go back and we're going to change it to our white oak again. Once that's done, you go back to save, put it in your class folder. So it's in class CME, Rogers, try 3, hour, whatever hour you're in, whatever grade you're in, or whatever your name is. And the file name on this one is going to be top.